Now, let's try and understand about the few famous personalities of India and South Africa. The first is Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was the most active member in the African national movement. He was put behind bars because of the apartheid policy and was released in the year 1990. Later on in 1994, he became the first black president of South Africa. A great man who played a mighty role in getting independence to South Africa. Next is Abul Kalam Azad. Abul Kalam Azad was an educationist, a theologian, a person who was much against the communalism that was there at that time, and he became the first education minister in the first union cabinet of Free India. Next, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, he was a lawyer by profession and is the first president of Free India who had 2 terms, and he wrote books like At the Feet of Mahatma Gandhi and India Undivided. Next is B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar, a champion of the rights of the underprivileged. He was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution, and he in fact saw to it that all the rights come to all the people irrespective of all the caste and the injustice that had been prevalent in India since ages. Next is Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, very active in the Hindu Mahasabha, and later on he became the founder of the Bharatiya Jan Sangh. Next, Jawahar Lal Nehru. Jawahar Lal Nehru, the son of Motilal Nehru, very active in the Indian independence movement and the first Prime Minister of India, a great dynamic personality.